Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making a banana bread, because, come on, a banana bread, who doesn't like it? I tweaked the recipe a little bit to make it less sugary and less sweet. So, let's start. We're making a banana bread, so of course, we need bananas. Mine aren't ripe enough, so I'm putting them in the oven for 15 minutes set at 175 Celsius. After the 15 minutes they look like they have a great suntan. But the inside is ripe and good to use in our banana bread. So peel the 3 bananas and put them in a bowl. Mash them down with a fork and add melted butter to it. Along with caster sugar. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also add 1 egg and mix all the wet ingredients together. Now for the dry ingredients. Add the dried cranberries, a good pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give this a quick mix and lastly add all of the flour. Fold everything together until there are no lumps left. Now add the mixture to a prepared loaf tin. I like to add parchment paper to it, so I can remove the cake more easily afterwards. It's almost ready to go into the oven, but we still need to add 1 banana on top. Slice it in half and push it flat side up into the mixture. My last good tip is to place some small knobs of butter in the center of the cake. This makes the cake even more moist. Bake it for 15 minutes to an hour at 175 Celsius. Take the banana bread out of the tin and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Let's cut a slice to see the inside. It looks delicious with all the cranberries in it. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button, and of course I see you in the next video.